Hello fellow YouTubers, I am at a new fishing ground from the highway. I just saw, like a bit of water. I figured maybe there's a possible fishing spot, and look at this place, man. There's not many people. Most of the people around here are elderly people, so it's not gonna be too crowded with guys and stuff like that. So the water is deep enough, so there should be plenty of fish here. I don't know what kind of fish we can find here, but look, you have different kind of setup. You have there where the water is agitated. Okay, you see there the water is agitated, so you have like different kind of fish hanging in agitated water like this. And then there is deep. Yeah, there is deep. And down there it's even deeper. So I'm gonna try and see what kind of stuff I come up with. I am planning on coming back here again. Now I only have like 1 hour on my hand, so we'll see. Wish me good luck, guys. That new location I was telling you guys about, I just got a pike using I am using that fish lure. Yeah, look at this baby, it's beautiful. Yeah, I only have one lure with me. I forgot my tackle box at home, so what should I do? Maybe leave it in the middle, put some water, and that's what I'm gonna do, guys. It's far enough. I'm gonna put water so I can I am coming back here for sure tonight. Yeah, so yeah, he's got to blood him out. That lure is no joke, guys. Shit. That dude is bigger than I thought. Come on. Yeah, he's upside down, and let me flip him. Shit. Oh, did you see, guys? Okay, so I have 30 minutes left. Let's try again, see if I can come up with another fish. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back at home, and when you cut a fish, you have two choices. Okay, you can either throw it in the freezer or you clean it right away. I think it's less suffering if you kill it and you don't let it die of hypothermia, but plus on top of that, if you have people coming over, the fish is already clean and ready to go on the barbecue or whatever, on the grill, so I'm gonna clean it. I'm not gonna just throw him alive like that in the freezer. I sharpened that Chinese chop axe, and yeah, I'm gonna make it less painful as possible. So he's alive. I have to be very careful. That guy is dangerous. So no way, no how. He's dangerous. He's of a good length, that guy. Gee whiz. So, all right. So I'm gonna undo the chain, and I must be extremely careful. So, well, man, no. Okay, we change. Okay, man. If he clamps down his teeth on you, church is out for you. So he's looking for me, unless. Hold on, guys. So okay guys, let's do this. I'm gonna hold him with my oh shit. I have to undo the chain, but he's alive. So how am I gonna do this? Hold on. Okay, here. I hope he doesn't get my finger. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So, don't never count a pike down, guys. Ever. Ever. Or he's gonna take your finger off. So we make this a quick death. Sorry. Sorry, my little buddy. Sorry. All right. I had no choice. So I need a bag for, hold on. Let me get a bag for the guts. All right. So I have a nice sandwich bag. You got to be very careful because he's still alive. You better believe it. So okay, we're going to open it up. Shoot. That Chinese axe is very sharp. Okay. So, what's that? Yeah. Maybe there's nothing to save in terms of guts. Let me cut this open like this. Come on. Oh boy, this is slippery. Alright. Did I get it? Yes, I did. Okay. So once you get the guts out and you clean it, then your fish, even if you don't eat it today or whatever, your fish is good for, you know, then you're ready to freeze it when the time comes. So the fins, we don't need them. So we're gonna cut the fins like this. Yeah, we don't need them, so same thing here. All right. Maybe I should wear my gloves because the fish is very slippery, guys. Okay. I have been on the trail of the catfish, but the problem is I'm in a red zone and we have a curfew, you know. We're not allowed to be out at 9:30. By 9:30, no one should, if the police catches you and you don't have a letter that stated why you are out at this time, you're gonna get a fine, 1,005. It's to disencourage people to spread the virus and roaming around for nothing. If you're walking your dog, then you have no problem. If you're going to work and you have a letter that stated that Mr. Such and Such is going to work, he works for me from whatever shift to whatever shift, then you're okay. But there's no warning. You will get fined, a bad fine. So here. So to make a long story short, the catfish comes out at night to eat, and I'm not really allowed to be out late at night. You know, I am willing. You know, I am willing, but it's just, you know, I don't want to. It's like throwing money and garbage. who wants to give 1,005 just like that? The tail. Okay. So you see, guys, it's clean out of its content. Yeah. To manipulate the fish, you're really gonna need some gloves. They're not expensive and they're really helpful. When you're going fishing, you need them because the fish are very slippery, very, you know, and this helps you get a grip, you see? So for the head, we're gonna split it into two. And I'm gonna keep the head, I'm not gonna throw it away. It's got plenty of meat in it. If you have a backyard party or barbecue and you have a couple of bites, you know how much money you're gonna save, and it's fresh. It's fresh fish. It's good meat. All that's missing are hot dogs for the kids. You know, if you're into steaks, some steaks, then you have a really nice backyard party because you have fish, steaks, hot dogs. You know, you have something for everyone. Okay, it's, yeah, let's, I think I'm going to continue using my gloves. There are things that are pretty sharp and sticky. Okay, like this. Hold on. Come on. Pikes are the only fish. Once they bite on your lure, you don't have a lure anymore. They're broken. But I must be very lucky. You know how difficult it is? Some people are dreaming about catching a pike and it never happens. And I've been striking on pikes left and right. You know, as if I was like the Michael Jordan himself. Or Wayne Gretzky. You know? Or Cristiano Ronaldo. I've been scoring goals. Okay, I'm not gonna save anything. I'm not gonna save those guts. Yeah, it's all garbage. So, all right, let's rinse this out. This, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna save that sandwich back for another time. I really would like to be able to show you guys different catch, different fishes. So yeah, to remove the scales, you know, you just go like the opposite way. If it's like this, you don't see anything, then you go the opposite way and then you see it start coming out. It's not too hard because the fish is fresh. You know, so I'm guessing once it's frozen you have to thaw it out and then you know, now it's fresh, it's easy. Look, if you're reeling, I would say within 2-3 minutes it's done, done. See, that would make your partner happy. If you have one, you know, instead of like waiting on him or her, you know, said, hey, should we eat some fish? Yeah, it's ready. see, guys? Yeah. You don't have to fight it. The fish is fresh. So removing the scales or ABC 1, 2, 3. See, it's not hard at all. You see? Look. Where I live, they have rules on when you can catch fish and what type of fish that you can catch. So basically, while walleye or like the season start, bass and walleye start like late June, so it's almost never time. You know, so when you catch them, you must release them. You know, maybe this is a way to give the future generation a chance to have something to go fish. Because if you know, they're giving them time to lay their eggs and stuff like that, but it's late June, man. And the truth is, you're not gonna catch 4 or 5 at a time, you know. Any fishing stories, if you end up with one, that is a successful story. If you can catch at least one fish, you know, there's no guarantee. You can go and spend the whole day. If it's overfished or there's just too many people, you get nothing. Those are my worst days. So that's why I'm always looking for new fishing ground, places that not too many people knows about. And then I would like give it a try. And thus far I've been very lucky. So I was limited, guys. I didn't have my tackle box, so I was living on one lure, and still got him. You know, so yeah. God willing, my plan is to go to that same spot late evening and give it a try, see if we can get some catfish. I will have like a plastic lure, walleye, or very fond of plastic lure, white plastic lure. They are extremely fond of it. Most of my pikes, not most, 100% of my pikes were all from fishing with a little fish lure that mimics a fish. All of them, not even one time, all of them were like small fish. You know, so the pikes, if you have a small fish lure, you're in business. He's gonna bite. I'm gonna clean that glove because it is very useful. Now the head, I don't trust it, even, you know, even if it's supposedly dead, you know. All right. Okay, the opposite side. Jeez, I so don't wanna test or. Okay. The pikes have ways to resist death. Even with his head chopped off, you're gonna run into some bad surprises. Yeah, the pike has 9 lives. All right. So, uh, so hold on, guys. Like this, 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 like this. Okay. Okay. It's time to rinse it out and fresh water. Not bad. Inside the head. All right. Now some vinegar to get the impurity and other unwanted stuff. It's just to play it safe. And it doesn't smell too, you know, because that's what vinegar does. It will kill any odor or unseen stuff. So here like this. Yeah. And inside. Inside and out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Ooh. Yeah, I can smell the vinegar, man. Ooh. All right. So, all right. I'm just gonna flip it. That's plenty of vinegar to get rid of. You can tell that. Yeah, you know, you can tell. Yeah, the vinegar is. You know. And then I'm gonna find a nice plastic bag and then store it. This way, any of your friends who's coming over, you know, you have or food for 2 people, easy. Look at the purity, the freshness of the fish, guys. Look, it's thick, it's pink, it's in good health. Yeah. All right. So now I need to find a bag and then we're gonna bag it up. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. See? Some impurity. That's what the vinegar does. They come out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. Look, guys. Look how much meat you find in the head. That's why you don't throw away the head. You can grill it. It tastes good. You get yummy meat in it. You see? This is fresh, good meat. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's clean. And we're gonna bag it up. All done. To bag it up. All right. Am I dreaming or it's gonna fit? Let's give it a try, shall we? Before I do anything, we're gonna rinse it out one more time. All right, we did a decent job. Yeah, yeah. So, okay, it's done. It's well rinsed out. Now all I gotta do, now it doesn't matter if you leave it in the freezer, at least you're done. This is done. Yeah. Hey, that's part of the liver. You know what? In there. And then you just ziplock. You see, guys? Now that we have our fish packed up nicely, thank you so much for watching, guys. I am on the quest for catfish. I am curious. A catfish is very meaty, as I think the spine, that's where like you would find bones, but the entire fish is kind of like boneless beside the spine. And I'm gonna continue looking. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You know, if you're not subscribed, if you like the contents of my channel, if it's legit, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You are welcome to the fishing lab. I am the Fisher King. Yeah, so I will try again tonight, see if I can get some catfish, and we can go dissect everything and see what's up, what's down with the catfish. So you guys take care always.